What's the meaning of Christmas Eve? Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve refers to the evening before Christmas Day, which is celebrated on December 25th every year. It is a time when people gather together with family and friends to celebrate the holiday season. Many cultures have different traditions associated with Christmas Eve, such as attending church, exchanging gifts, or enjoying a special meal. Some also believe that Santa Claus visits homes on Christmas Eve to deliver presents to children who have been good throughout the year. Overall, Christmas Eve is a time of anticipation, joy, and togetherness in preparation for Christmas Day.